Hello everyone, good day especially to you ma'am. I'm Rebellia Esuresisio from Besab 1A. This speech is about life. Life. Life is a beautiful journey filled ups and downs, challenges and triumphs, joy and sorrow. It is a precious gift that we should cherish and make the most of. Each day brings new opportunities for growth, learning, and self-discovery. One of the most important lessons in life teaches us is resilience. We face obstacles and setbacks, but it is through this experience that we learn to adapt, persevere, and become stronger individuals. Life is not always easy, but it is in the face of adversity that we discover our